In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an account on Hootsuite with our step-by-step 2025 tutorial. If you're looking to streamline your social media management, Hootsuite is a brilliant tool that can help you stay organized and efficient. To start using Hootsuite, the first thing you want to do is open up Hootsuite on your browser, or alternatively, you can use the Hootsuite app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. It's a simple process, just as you would with any other web service. If you haven't got an account yet, you will need to sign up, but for today, let's assume you're already set up and ready to go. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner where your profile picture is located, click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, choose the option that says Manage Social Networks. If you're on the app, you might see this option under Account Settings and then Social Networks. This is where you can control all your linked accounts and make sure everything's in sync. The next step is to add a new social media account. Look for the button labeled plus Add Social Network. When you click on it, a list of supported platforms will appear. You'll see popular options such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Select the platform that you wish to add. It's truly as simple as clicking a button to add the network of your choice. The next part involves logging in to the selected social media account when you're prompted to. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Once logged in, you will need to authorize Hootsuite to access your account. This authorization is crucial as it links Hootsuite directly with your social media profiles, allowing you full functionality like scheduling posts and monitoring activity. If you're adding an Instagram business account, ensure that it's linked to a Facebook page. This additional step is vital for you to be able to use all posting features effectively on Instagram through Hootsuite. After authorizing the connection, you should be able to see your account listed under Social Networks in Hootsuite. This confirms that everything is set up correctly. With this connection, you can now schedule your posts, monitor streams for insights, and analyze your engagement across your social media channels, all from one convenient dashboard. If you're managing multiple accounts, you have the option to repeat the steps we've just covered to add more accounts, even from different platforms. Hootsuite is designed